Well, it's a very cool, kind of dreary, cloudy day here in Florida. We don't get a lot of these. You know, we get sun probably 300 days a year. You know, a lot of sun, which, you know, can really lift your mood. Sunshine's good for you. But anyway, you got to deal with it, right? This is the day that God has given us, and rejoice and be glad in it. But today, I wanted to talk about, you know, how fruit really helped me heal my body. I had really bad digestive issues. I had joint problems, and fruit has been huge in helping me fix those problems. I had hemorrhoids, I had fissures, I was constipated, and I had joint issues. I had frozen shoulder, ankles, knees, hips, very tight and painful at times. So why is fruit such a good healer? There's numerous reasons. Number one, fiber. Fiber helps things move through the digestive tract. Okay, it's high in vitamin C, water content. All of these things help fruit act like a magnet. It helps draw toxins and junk, old stuff in your body that has not been eliminated. If you're not having, let's say, minimum one, but really you should go for at least 2 bowel movements a day. If you're eating 3 meals a day, you got to have at least 2, and hopefully you're having 3 a day. So that's what fruit helped me get to. I have 3 bowel movements a day, usually, sometimes 2, but fruit is the deal. And today I wanted to talk about a fruit. This is black sapote, the chocolate pudding fruit. Okay, it tastes similar to chocolate pudding, and it's brown like chocolate pudding, and really high in fiber, high in vitamin C. Black sapote has 3 times the vitamin C of an orange. So we can grow black sapote here in Southwest Florida. I'm on the southwest side of Florida in a place called Naples, and I planted 4 black sapote trees. This is the first one here. Second, I got third, and fourth is in the back. These trees will get very big, and they can produce hundreds of pounds of fruit. I had my first one this year, and it was delicious, but that's all I had was one piece of fruit from the 4 trees. But anyway, it'll come. It takes time. You have to be patient. So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you the inside. And what I do with it, like I said, it's similar to chocolate pudding. But if you really want like a chocolate pudding dessert, what you can do with the black sapote is add a few dates, add some cocoa powder, some vanilla, or maybe carob powder if you prefer that. And you blend it, and oh man, what a treat it is. So let me show you that. Okay, so there you have it, the chocolate pudding fruit, black sapote. It's, you know, the fruit itself it looks like a tomato, and it has like the consistency of like an avocado kind of. It's nice. Very nice. It's not super sweet, but it's very smooth, similar to a chocolatey taste. Very good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to blend it with some dates. I'm going to put some bananas in there so I have more volume. That way I can enjoy it longer. And I'll probably put some cocoa powder in there today, maybe a little vanilla, and I'll show you that finished product. Okay, I've got my finished product. Look at that, man, that is incredible. What I put in here, I put in 3 bananas, 3 dates, some vanilla bean. I used about 1 inch of vanilla bean, and the whole black sapote, and you get that chocolatey pudding, and I sprinkled on a few pistachios on top. But what a treat, oh my goodness. But remember, all fruit is high in fiber, vitamin C. It is the highest energy food on the planet. There's more energy in fruit than any other food. It is the highest in vitamins. So if you're looking to improve your health, you're trying to fix a physical problem you've developed, go high fruit. Eat as much fruit as you care for. I am not a doctor. This is from my own personal experience. I have helped people that have asked me how I stay healthy, and it's basically, it boils down to a lot of fruit, vegetables, of course. You need leafy greens. Leafy greens are extremely important. So excuse me. So a lot of salads, and raw as much as possible. With this cold weather, I've been dipping into a little cooked food now and then. But, this is the way to go if you're trying to heal something. So I'm doing pretty well coming back from my shingles. Wow, what an ordeal it's been. And I'm starting to heal up nicely. I hope it continues, but I got to stay on top of it. So all the best. Please post any questions or comments. I am going to go enjoy this bowl of luscious fruit. Thanks to the Creator. All the best. Take care.